I was not planning to bake anything today, but I noticed the bananas were getting too ripe, and with oats and cocoa on hand, making this chocolate oat cake just made sense. Now, I am wondering why I did not make this cake sooner. To make this chocolate oat cake, start by adding 120 grams of instant oats to a large mixing bowl. Then add 250 milliliters of hot milk to the oats. Stir well to soak the oats and soften them. Leave it aside and let the mixture sit for a few minutes until the oats absorb the milk. In a separate bowl, mash up 2 ripe bananas with a fork until they are pretty smooth. It is fine if there are tiny bits, but try to get most of the chunks out so the cake comes out soft. Really ripe bananas with brown spots are the best since they mash easily and make the cake naturally sweet. Next, crack 2 eggs into the bowl with the mashed bananas. Use a whisk or fork to beat the eggs into the bananas until the mixture is smooth and well combined. Eggs will help give your cake structure and a moist texture. Now, add 3 tablespoons of Dutch processed cocoa powder for a smooth, rich chocolate flavor. Mix everything together until the cocoa is fully mixed in and the batter turns a deep chocolatey color. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix well to make sure the baking powder is evenly distributed throughout the cake batter. Now, add the oats that have been soaking in milk to the banana and cocoa mixture. Stir everything together until you have a smooth, even batter with no dry spots. Pour the cake batter into a springform pan lined with parchment paper. Use a spoon or spatula to scrape every bit from the bowl. Sprinkle some chopped nuts on top if you want extra crunch and flavor. You can use walnuts, almonds, or any nuts you like. Bake the oat cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 40 minutes until your kitchen smells absolutely amazing. Then leave the cake to cool in the pan for about 10 to 15 minutes. In a small bowl, add 100 grams of dark semi-sweet chocolate and pour in 50 milliliters of hot milk. Let it sit for a minute to soften the chocolate. Then stir until the chocolate is smooth and glossy. Then, drizzle the melted chocolate over the cooled oat cake using a spoon or a plastic bag with a small hole, as you can see me doing here. And voila, your chocolate oat cake is ready to enjoy. It is rich and chocolatey, perfectly moist from the bananas, and surprisingly satisfying without any sugar or flour. Every bite is soft, full of flavors, and so good that you might forget it is made from just simple, wholesome ingredients. If you like this healthy chocolate oat cake recipe, then check out also how I made these jammy oat bars here. These are so chewy and sweet and so simple to make. Check it out now.